Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Riley.
And my name is Natasha.
Panthers, the BSU Penny Wars is now in action, and today is the last day to decide who gets pied in the face.
In the auditorium during all lunches, there are jars with different staff members that you can vote on. Each penny in the fundraiser goes to BSU Scholarship and Tuition to help support students' futures.
These are the winning members so far. What? What do you mean? Well, breaking news! This just in. Miss Underwood is in first place. Mr. Ray in second. Miss Collins third. Coach Dub fourth. Miss Van Bibber fifth. And in last place Coach Kinsel.
Congratulations to the AB Honor Roll students for semester 1. For everyone who made the list and got your certificate this morning, show your certificate at your lunchtime to get sweet treats to celebrate.
This month is Black History Month, and you know what that means, Panthers? Heritage is Black History Month fashion show!
And Heritage is looking for models. Sign up with the QR code on the screen now for more information about this special event. See Ms. Collins in room 4104.
I'm recording whenever. Okay. On February 20th, BSU is going on a field trip. They're going to the Harry T. and Harriet V. Moore Museum. On this trip, students will learn about civil rights movement in Florida and the Harry T. and Harriet V. Moore's legacy.
This trip is open to any students with a 2.0 GPA or higher. If you'd like to attend, permission slips will be available in room 4104.
Heritage's 12th annual Valentine's Day show will be on February 11th at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria. Admissions for this show will be $5, including beverages. Prepare to be amazed.
Panthers, please come and support our seniors here at Heritage and prepare for their a cappella competition coming up soon.
Attention! Are you a talented beatboxer? Well, the Heritage Show Choir needs you to join. There is an a cappella competition next month in Fort Myers. Hey,
What's up?
you good at beatboxing?
I dabble.
Me too.
Let's break it down. Beat drop. If you're anyone you know is a skilled beatboxer, please email Ms. Jameer or visit room 2121 for more information.
Students, on February 12th, Heritage's junior class is hosting a fundraiser.
The Twisty Cone fundraiser will be from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. The Twisty Cone fundraiser will be from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Please come and support our junior class at this event.
To all juniors and seniors here at Heritage, Brevard Public Schools is hosting a career fair on February 12th. At this event, you will learn about possible career opportunities and possibly interviews for a job.
This regional career fair will be at Bayside High School from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you're interested, get your permission slips from Jameer in the guidance room in room 2112.
If you do want to attend this event and have your parent and teacher's permission form signed, return the forms to Ms. Jameer. But hurry, she is only taking the first 90 students who do so.
The ASVAB is on February 13th in the auditorium from 8:15 to 11:45. To sign up, scan the QR code on the screen now.
Students, make sure you have your student ID at all times. If you do not have your IDs, you will get a lunch detention, and if it continues, this will result in a 2-hour detention.
Also, Heritage bathrooms will be closed from 3:25 every day. If you need to use the restroom in case of emergencies, you can find a staff member in the courtyard for assistance.
Now in senior news, if you missed your opportunity to get your grad bash ticket, you must see Miss Underwood to get your name on the wait list.
Vieira High School is hosting a college fair on February 13th in the gym from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. To RSVP, scan the QR code on the screen now.
Seniors, Eastern Florida State College will be here all day on February 18th in the Media Center. They will be here to help any of you who are struggling with EFSC applications or completing the FAFSA.
To attend, check in with your English teacher first with their permission.
The Brevard Schools Foundation is offering all seniors in Brevard County 60 different scholarships. These scholarships give seniors options to certain scholarships that will help them in the future. The deadline for these scholarship applications is March 9th. Scan the QR code on the screen for more information.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the parent and student must create their own FAFSA ID, and this must be before you start your FAFSA application.
For anybody who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit the website above.
Also, Heritage will have the CLT on February 20th. Contact the testing coordinator, Coach Gage, for more information.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 2024 to 2025 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance page, or you can even use the scholarship search engine as well.
In sports news, we had football signings for students here at Heritage on Wednesday.
The following students shown on the screen now have received amazing opportunities to play for certain colleges. Some of the colleges picked were St. Thomas University, Gallon University, West Liberty University, and many more.
Congratulations to these athletes.
Next Monday, our JV Next Monday, our JV baseball team will go up against Vieira Beach at 6 p.m.
Next week on Wednesday, our JV baseball team will take on Holy Trinity at 6 p.m.
Also in sports news, our wrestling team is hosting Hammer Duel this weekend. There will be 12 other schools across the state competing.
For anybody interested in attending, come by and check it out. Check it out! Sorry. Wrestling will start today at 1 p.m. and on Saturday it will start at 9 a.m.
That's all for the news this week. Panthers, thank you for watching. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!
Yeah, your hand hurt.